All right, we're going to do some rebound stroke exercises. We're going to start with 8 on the hand. We're going to be at 100 BPM to start out with. I'm also going to throw in there some 6 on the hand and some 10 on the hand. And then after we do that, then we'll do some countdown. Right now we're at 100 BPM. If you can't quite do it at this tempo, go ahead and slow it down to 75, 80, 85. Our goal tempo for rebound strokes for starting is usually around 100 BPM because that's where we can let the stick do the work for us. If we go slower than that, it gets a little bit harder because we have to kind of hold and wait before we throw that stick the second time. So 100 BPM and up is where I like to do rebound strokes. So this is 8 on the hand, 6 on the hand, and 10 on the hand at 100 BPM. Listen to me for when we're going to switch to those various changes. Here it is. 1, 2, ready, and 6 on the hand, ready, and 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Back to 8, and 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Ten, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 6, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 10, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, ready, and 8, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 2, ready, and done. I always hit a release on the last after the last time through, so we end with the same hand that we started with, which is usually going to be the right hand. So that was 8 on the hand, 6 on the hand, 10 on the hand, switching between them at 100 BPM. I encourage you to do it at various different tempo, whatever works for you. But our goal would be that our starting point would be around 100. You can see how that flows really nice at 100. The other thing is my feet were going the whole time. How I do it is I do quarter notes with my right foot. So my right foot, it's hitting right with the metronome every time. My left foot, it's usually doing eighth notes. So I'm doing quarter notes with my right foot, eighth notes with my left foot. And one of the reasons for that is because it translates on the drum set. I do 4 on the floor a lot when we're playing worship songs. It's a great way to add energy to things as you play quarter notes with your right foot all the time. Eighth notes on the left foot, I'm keeping that eighth note pulse as I'm playing. I can be playing fills and time. The eighth note pulse is in my left foot. Even if I'm not making sound with the hi-hat, I'm tapping my heel on the hi-hat foot plate to keep time. So I recommend doing that whenever you're on the pad. We want everything that we do here to translate to the drum set. So that's how I do it. Now for countdown, we're going to start at 85 for countdown. And what I want you to do is I want you to watch my right foot as we're playing countdown. It's going to keep time exactly with the metronome. I might use my left foot a little bit, but I'm mainly going to focus on my right foot, keeping the quarter note pulse even as I'm doing those 7s and those 5s where things get a little screwy. So here it is at 85, and then we'll do it at 100 after this. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. So that was 85. Let's bump it up to 100. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Cool. So now, that was going count down. We could also do count up, or we could combine the two. So I'll let you do count up on your own, but I'm going to do count down and count back up. Here's how that would sound. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So that is countdown and count up. Hopefully this is just a quick video, give you something to play along with at those tempos. If the tempos are a little bit tricky for you, I want you to slow it down. Our key is perfect repetitions. So if you're not quite able to get those perfect repetitions at the tempos that we're doing it, slow it down and make sure that you're going slow enough so you can process it in your mind and you're able to count out loud. You're able to know exactly where the hits are supposed to happen, exactly where the hands are supposed to change, exactly where the foot is supposed to be in relation to the metronome and your hands. And that's going to set you up for success long term if you take the time to slow down today.